Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable week numbers in calendar on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open calendar first. I will show you that now we do not have any week numbers right here. So let's open settings, swipe down and click on calendar. Once you are here, you want to go to week numbers and turn this feature on. So now let's switch to the calendar, and now as you can see we do have the week numbers on the left side of our month view. So as you can see, these are the week numbers of the year. Now let's turn it off, and it is going to just wipe out. So this is how you can turn on or turn off the week numbers in the calendar on iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!